Hey everybody, my name's Brutus. I'm a bad son of a gun. I drive a Harley 12,000. You know what that means? 12,000 cylinders. You know what I do? I kick butt. Anybody tries to run me, I run down. You know what I do? You know what I do when I'm riding my bike? I look for raccoons. I run them down. You know what I do when I see a skunk? I run them down and I smash the stuff all over my face. Because I'm bad. I'm Brutus. I'm bad. Anybody who comes near me with that skunk smell on me, they get sick and they run. They run, they're scared of me. Why? Because I'm Brutus. Brutus, man. I ride a Harley 12,000. That's right. A Harley 12,000. I drink 6 quarts of Candlelight before I get on the bike. When I start it up, people get scared. They know Brutus is in town. You know what else I do? I look for deer. I look for deer riding across the street. I hit them suckers. I hit them hard. They fly in the air. They're scared when they see me. I'm Brutus. Brutus. Remember the name, Brutus. When a turtle goes in the street, you want to see that thing move when I'm coming down the road because he knows Brutus isn't down. Brutus, baby. I kick butt on animals. I kick them all of them. I kick them. Flies, when a fly hits me in the eye, they splatter like a sawn gum. Why? Because I'm Brutus. That's right, Brutus, king of the road. King of the road, Brutus. That's right. You look me up on the internet, Brutus. People are scared of me. Spiders are scared of me. Mosquitoes, they scare me. Because when I hit a mosquito, they splat right on my windshield, right on my eyeglasses, whatever I'm wearing. I'll tell you, it's really not hard to be Brutus, but it ain't easy being Brutus. That's right. Don't come near me, because if you mess with Brutus, you're going to be sad. You're going to be a sad bug. That's right, Brutus. I'm the man.